When you buy a phone, that is new phone, you quite heard about the term like 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and now the LTE, and get modernized into 5G, but not very familiar with them. In today's world, mobile is one of our basic needs, and so the network is essential. There is 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and now it is 5G come in the market, which is the fastest network currently. So now in this video, we will discuss about the evolution of the wireless network, that is 0G, 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and the fastest network, that is 5G. What is actually 0G? G stands for generation. This is actually called mobile radio telephone. That's why the system refers it radioactive term like zero generation, that is 0G. We can say pre-cellular. This system begins with technology like Motorola and Bell system. The commercial telecommunication, the system was introduced by it. And what is basically 1G? 1G is the first generation of the wireless cellular technology. It refers to the first generation of wireless technology. 1G network were analog. It's simply make phone calls. This is all it's about to do. This telecommunication standards remains until the advent of 2G, that is second generation. At the time of 1979, NTT, that is Nippon Telegraph and Telephone in Japan, launched the world's first automated cellular technological network for commercial use. The United States of America introduced its first generation network for the Motorola Dynatag cellular phone. Details about 2G network. It is a wireless network, so it is basically modernized evolutively. The second generation provides customers with the facility of voice calling and text messaging. Second generation network are digital. During 90s, second generation was the first commercially launched network. The important thing is that it was the first network that make use of the data on phone calls, and also it was the first network that offer SMS, that is short messaging service. Because of this, the quality of phone calls was improved than analog data. It reduces the data transmission. What is 3G wireless network? This technology sets the standard for most of the wireless network. Third generation allowed the use of internet on the mobile phone, while also enabling picture sharing and Bluetooth connectivity. Commercially, it was launched in 2001, and it was the mobile network broadband capable wireless network. Data transmission rates of 3G network are 200 kilobyte per second or 2 Mbps per second. It allows high-speed data at a low cost. Really, the cost is very low at the time. It enables different applications like email, video streaming, that is video in a streaming rate, video call, voice call, downloading, sharing, etc. What is 4G? That is fourth generation. Fourth generation, the latest technology till that, has completely transformed the app. That is, it really transforming the app and content ecosystem. It offers first through internet broadband data transmission rates. It was deployed in 19 and then it was deployed in 2009 in Sweden and Norway. Its data transmission rates are 10 times faster than third generation network. It expanded over the past year to become the most available for major metropolitan area and developed countries. It not only gave immense speed to social media and video streaming, but also the made booking movie ticket or ordering a taxi through a few clicks on the application easy and faster. Really, it's faster. What is LTE stand for? The LTE stand for long-term evolution. This is the mobile evolution standard for high-speed wireless internet connection for mobile device and data terminals. If you want to take advantage of this, you have to choose the right phone. We support long-term evolution, that is LTE connection, as it offers more advantage of the speed improvement. What is LTE Plus? Really, from the name, it states immensely, there is a clarity that LTE Plus is more advanced than LTE. LTE Plus, we discussed above LTE, that's what is LTE obviously. Now LTE Plus, the same technology based on the LTE platform. As we say above, expected that the data transfer speed is even faster, or we can say that triple than LTE in the LTE Plus. Now is the modern fastest technology, the next generation telecommunication, that is 5G, the fifth generation. The next generation telecom network, it is very much enhancing the speed in the technological world, which brings higher speed to mobile phone, but it won't be limited only to that. 5G will be the network for millions of devices, and not just for the smartphones. It promises to enable fast and secure connectivity between devices. Other than smartphones, such as sensors, vehicles, robots, and drones, Yeah, really, it's drones. It connects even drones, robots. Imagine the evolution of this wireless network. Now imagine the benefit of technology like this. It will change the game entirely for many industries. Many companies come up with hardware and routers, while others have begun to introduce the 5G network. It will have data speed up to 1 to 10 gigabyte per second. Really impressive. It is expected that it will launch up to 2020 or 2021 here. But the fastest the technology could come soon than that. Really, we need such type of technology nowadays. Thank you very much, guys, for listening this video. Thank you very much.